Are you climbing the mountain? Looky there. Look at that big mountain of snow you climbed.
Wow. Look at you. Woo!
You are king of the mountain.
Oh, okay. Just a little snow. Ain't gonna hurt you. Look at you. You king of the mountain.
Can you get down? Can you slide down?
Why, yeah, he can get down.
Whee!
Yeah, you do fine. Give me your sleigh and I'll pull you.
Come on down. Can you get down?
Come here.
Have you got a snow face?
Bare leg here.
I know. There wasn't anything I could do about it, honey.
They doesn't fit over his boots.
It does, but they don't stay down.
Come here.